All right, game on, break on. Breaking Benjamin helping us out with a little tune right now in the background. All right, guys, you found a great break, man. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. We've got a trilogy of definitive. There's my 2019 box, the last one left over from 2019. There are 2017 and 2018 cases of definitive. This one is a random hit style, so everybody gets a hit for each spot. Purchase, guys. Good luck. May the 30th, 827. May the boom be with you all. Thank you guys so much. Good luck. Let's get her going. Thank you for the order. Spectra division spot just knocked out another one. Boom. That's the half caser. I'm going to put a 3 on the card. Thank you, guys. Thank you, gals. Okay, so random hit, so let's just pick up a box out of here and select one to open. Let's see what year we got here. All right, this would say 2017 baseball. '17 baseball. The 3 on there, so a 6-sided die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dice roll says take the box on the bottom. They're down. Did you guys hear the bell toll right there? All right, so 5, 6. We'll take these and set them over. Look for them in another mixer or another box break coming soon. All right, this case looks a lot fatter than the other case. But it says 3. This must be 2018. I hope so. Here we go. We're going to rip it open and see. A lot more cardboard maybe they used in this. Bigger boxes. That looks definitively different. It's definitively different. All right. Man, the box packaging is incredible. What's inside is a little different here. All right, 2018. 2018. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The roll is a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Middle guy. All right. These stay another day. And here's the 2019. So you'll see the first year they made the boxes a little smaller than the 18 and 19. All right, here we go. Jeff, hey man. Jeff, good question. Which open baseball break will be starting to move? The one that you pick, man. The one that you pick. Is the one that we will break. All right, let's go. 2017, I think there was literally nothing covering the cards. You're right, they're not. So that's kind of weird. In 18 and 19, they made the boxes bigger because they put in this giant slider box is what they did. YouTube is just blaring, guys. Sorry. Cole, you're awesome. Thanks so much, man. So there's... Oh, look what we got, guys. The last box has a big fat card in it. Zoom. Zoom. All right. Helmet relic or something like that. Should be coming out of there. 2018. All right, 2017. Worst packaging effort of all time. This is the worst packaging effort of a high-end product of all time, but the cards are sweet. So there you go. That's how they are in there. Just can't even believe what they did with this. I got to figure out how to open it carefully. All right, there's a little, somewhat of like a box on the inside. All right, good. I can get the sides off. This is how you dissect a box of baseball cards. Much different than in 1990. Now let's see if the little box will come out. No, it won't come out. All right, I'm gonna get my thumbs in there. Oh, we got a fat card in there as well. Nice. 2 frames. Okay, empty box. Oh, man. I was about ready to call for Lifeline on that one. Okay, so yeah, how it works is we open up and we look at all the cards and I plug them in as we go. And then at the end we randomize to match up you guys' names with your cards. So good luck. May the boom be with you all. And Spectra is down to 2 divisions, guys. Thank you. Up next, man, we definitely have time to do a Spectra divisional break. It's a 4-boxer. We'll leave that down there. Spectra, thank you, Colt. All right. Actually, let's put this down here at the bottom. All right, we have what's called a helmet relic right out of the gate. So let me go get a 1-touch because it'll be fun. I got 2 361 touches. Man, I think we're going to have 2 helmet relics. I think they're both that way. So we're going to go from the back. We're start from the back. All right, guys. First card out, it's nice. Manny. '19 of 50, Manny Machado, helmet piece. Boom! Fits perfectly into a 360. Machado helmet, number to 50. First card out. Awesome. Second card out. Joey Bats with a little pink. $27 of 30 on the Joey Bats. All right, first frame. It's a frame patch. 3 of 10, Starling Marte. Three of 10. Thank you, Shane. Watchtower, eBay. You just missed. Man, I hope you got your eBay locked out. We have not. The only PYTs for leather and lumber through the eBay store. Next, 19 of 35, World Series champion, Al Kaline. World Series champ, 19 of 35. Next frame, Ozzie. 23 of 25. Shortstop, Ozzie Smith, the Wizard. Ozzie, 23 of 25. And Ricky. Nice. 30 out of 30. Ricky Henderson. Like the number right there, 30-30. Jersey auto. And a Pedroia. 27 of 50. 27 of 50, Pedroia. And the last card from this first box is De Leon, rookie for the Dodgers, 30 out of 50. Jose De Leon. That went to Tampa Bay, I believe, after that. See, this is the kind of paper that works. I don't know why Topps changed it. The 18 and 19. 18, I put the styrofoam, actually. All right, let's do 2018. Ice cream sandwich time. All right, let's see. In 18, they put the patch. Yeah, they put the patches on the top. So we'll do it that way. First one up, it's a pinstripe of Andrew Benintendi, a 4 of 40 Benintendi. And the other patch, sweet patch, 14 of 15. Altuve. $14 of 15 green, Altuve. Next, it's a Donnie baseball, 5 of 5. All-Star Game selection. 6-time All-Star Game selection. Donnie Baseball, nice. Man, Ricky and Donnie. Two guys in the 80s, man, that were phenomenal. Rookie auto number to 50 here of Nicky Delmonico. Delmonico, 31 to 50. Dual signature of Twins, guys. Sano and Bucks. 10 of 35. No, I'm with you. Something as big's got to be lurching. Lurching. All right, agreeing to 25. Kyle Schwarber. This is the 2018 box. Schwarber, 25 of 25. Next. Kershaw, 11 of 35. Kershaw, 11 of 35. And frame of Freddie. 7 of 30. Freddie Freeman, Braves. Freddie Freeman, of course. Framed autograph patch. 7 of 30. All right, guys, in the 2019 box. Big old fat relic in the bottom. Here we go. All right, guys, good luck. Here we go. Two bottoms can't fit into the top. Okay. Fatty is Cubs helmet piece with a little bit of the sea fabric. Wilson Contreras. Holy cow! Cubs win. Somebody's gonna win that Cubs win card. All right, where's Mother? There it is. 2 helmet pieces. Wow, that's pretty awesome. And the other one is an Edwin Encarnacion, 23 of 35. All right, guys, here we go. 6 more autos. Nomar, 33 of 50. Nomar Garcia Parra. Autographed jersey. $33 Nomar. Next is a Bregman, 18 of 50. Bregman out of 50. Next, Pedro and the Condor. Pedro and the Condor numbered to 10. Nice duel. Red Sox, baby. Ten of 10. Frame job of Yachty. Boom. 20 of 30. Frame job, Molina. Nice. And Michael Kopech. 6 of 50. Watchtower. Is this kid going to be lights out? Kopech, and the last one. Bring the white paper up, and again, there's some ink on it. Pretty clean. Nice. A Goldie. 10 of 25. Little inscription, Joshua chapter 1, verse 9. Goldschmidt. 10 of 25. The only little smudge is on the dot, the second dot. But again, Goldie, 10 of 25. Auto there. All righty. Wow, there's some good cards in there, guys. Good luck in the random. Now we randomize them all, and hope you get something you like, guys. Here we go. All cards randomized in there, from the Machado helmet, to the Goldie auto. These cards are about to be yours. All right. No doubles of different players. I don't think we had any doubles anyway. All right, here we go. 3 is the base number. We're going to add to that 5 more. 8 total clicks. I hope I got all 24. Please tell me I did. Did I forget any? Yo, I got them. 24. All right, we click this up 8 times. Good luck, everybody. 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more is 8. So after 8 clicks, Edwin Encarnacion up to Kyle Schwarber. Schwarber to Encarnacion. All right, there they are pasted in. All right, and everybody in, thank you guys and good luck. Lenny down the page. 3 plus 6. We're going maximum clicks. All right, 9 total times we go. All right, guys, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 times. All right, Joe to Sean. All right. Printing this. Hey, trades are open. If you guys want to talk deals here in the room, feel free. The winners of the cards, there they are. Joe Way, the Schwaber jersey out of 25. Andy has the Machado helmet to 50. Joe, Bregman jersey out of 50. Jeff, the Marte framed auto patch to 10. Scotty B. Molina framed auto to 30. Lenny, Nomar, 33 out of 50. Jeff, Ozzie Smith framed auto to 25. Jarrett, the Ricky jersey auto. Ryan, Benintendi patch to 40. Corey, the Sano Buxton dual autograph to 35. Joseph, Alcalon, World Series champ 19 to 35. Paige, the Goldie auto. Darius, Jose De Leon to 50. Rabu, Madani Baseball 5 of 5. Jeff, Delmonico to 50 auto. Colton Kershaw auto to 35. Lenny, the Altuve patch to 15. Hotwire, the Bautista patch to 30. Mark, the Pedroia to 50 jersey auto. Joey, the Freddie Freeman framed patch auto to 30. Colton, Pedro and Sale, the dual auto to 10. Robert Kopech to 50 auto. Colton, the Contreras helmet. And Sean with the Encarnacion to 35. All righty. Thank you guys so much. Those with the relic hits, we'll make sure you guys get a bonus. Couple of trade offers there in the chat, namely the Wilson helmet was down there at the bottom. The Contreras helmet. Colton, if you're live, if you guys want to talk it out, that's cool. And then Joey was asking about the Marte frame. Jeff, if you're here, I think Jeff might be here. Marte. Anyway, guys, thanks so much. We'll stop and save there, and we will continue on with possibly Spectra. Last check, there were 2 spots left. Thank you guys very, very much.